My lucky arrow has arrived. This is going to be for late autumn, winter. Let's just get on and open it. So the first item, the 3 packs that they sent through, the first item in a little pack on its own is this bag from Nude Atelier. They have sent me a Nude Atelier bag before, a couple of years ago. I wear it an awful lot. It's the camel one that you will have seen in many of my videos. This is leopard print and black leather. It smells of leather. It has got very rustic brassware, which is the boho element of my characterization that I listed when I filled in the form. Brass buckle here, which is very much me as well. Pockets inside, you know, all the stuff you'd expect inside, somewhere for cards. It's just got one wallet opening here and a zip. Zip works. Good zip. I like my bags to have zips, just, you know, just so things don't fall out. I do like that buckle. The buckle looks good. Like it's not going to, you know, it's not going to come undone. So yeah, I like that bag. I have got an animal print and black bag already that I don't use very much. And I'm wondering whether I really do need 2. The price is, yeah, £47.60. I'm not all that sure how much use I'll get out of it. Maybe I shouldn't keep it for £47.60. Esprit. That's great. I've never seen Esprit in my Lucky Arrow box before. Organic cotton, but nice to see that brand being supplied. I haven't been into an Esprit shop for, oh my goodness, so, is it? Yeah, there aren't that many in England, but I've always liked Esprit clothes. So here is, I think it's black. Yeah, it's black and white, which is a nice combination on a Breton. I haven't got black and white. I've got white and black, but not black and white. So that is a nice, lovely neutral. Organic cotton. The price is £19. So you can't really complain at that, can you? £19, pretty decent price, really. Have I made a mistake on that? I'm sure it's £19. The Esprit striped top in black and white. Now this is something that is a reasonable price at £19, and also it's not something I'm going to wear, you know, to the pub or so on, but it is a useful top to have in the house. It's a useful top to wear. I wear these type of striped tops a lot, and I have thrown a lot out recently that were got too tight and shrunk and so on. So I did need some more, and so I kept one from a Stitch Fix box last time. I'm going to keep this one because I can get a lot of use out of it, and I think, you know, black and white is a colour combination I haven't got. It fitted me great. So that cotton, organic cotton, £19.50 I said? No, £19. But an extra 50 on we don't need to have. £19. I'm going to keep that. Oh, a lovely cardigan. The sort of colour that I really love. I'm looking around, I'm sure they know I love this colour. Cardigan in a mustard colour, big chunky buttons, V-neck. It's not a long cardigan, it's going to be sitting at the hip. It's going to be lovely and warm for the winter. Which is by Desires. Desires is the brand. And the price of this cardigan is £49.95. Bit expensive, but I think it'll last a long time. I like the colour. It's a sort of oversized chunky, which is popular, and at the moment we're going to be going into sort of woolens, and chunky things are not only going to be practical, but also, you know, going into winter, but also that's one of the autumn trends as well. So I'm actually really liking this cardigan. I like the oversized chunky knit. I like the colour. I think it's great. So the cardigan I'm keeping too, and it'll go well with the striped top. A blouse in a brand called Indie and Moi. It's a sort of deep mocha, really, a rusty mocha colour, short sleeved. It's actually got sort of a bit of a frill shaped sleeve here, actually. A V-neck, buttons, yeah, just a short sleeved blouse, and that's, as I say, Indie and Moi. And the price is £31.50. It's a size 12, which is actually, and which explains, it comes up too big on me, I think. And that's going to be why, because it's a 12. Normally, Lucky Arrow's sizing, when it picks the size or sends the sizing to me, it fit perfectly. This is slightly too big, and I also believe it's the wrong colour, and I don't think it does anything for me. I think I have got much nicer blouses in my wardrobe that I would reach for and put on to go out, short sleeve blouses or long sleeve blouses, than this. So I wouldn't pick this to go out at any time. in preference to anything else I've got in my wardrobe, and therefore I'm not going to keep it. As I said, it's a size 12 and it is £31.50. Some smart trousers in olive. They're kind of not like cargo pants. They're a similar colour to cargo pants, but they're a smart trouser with a tie at the waist there. That's short, cropped length. Pockets at the front, pockets at the back. No, not workable pockets at the back, but workable pockets at the front. Yeah, hands in pockets type thing. And that is by Only trousers do tend to fit me quite well, and that's £35. Trying them on, I feel they're something or nothing really, and I don't think it's something or nothing in a good way. They're sort of a jogger weight material and they're described as a jogger, but I feel that they're also slightly smart as well. There's a bit of a smart feel to them. I think it's going to be an awkward trouser to wear in the winter with boots. They haven't got the right finish at the bottom. They're not going to hang right with boots, so they would need to be with sneakers and so on. I think going into winter, that's not what I'm going to wear. I think going into spring, next spring, I would be wearing more my existing joggers and not these, and we're heading into weather where I'll be wearing my existing joggers indoors and not these olive ones. The finish to them is just not quite right, because they're more like the sort of slacks in a way that my grandmother used to wear. That sort of a material and that sort of hang to them, and I feel that's not. I don't think they flattered me in any way, and I cannot see any use for them in my life. So these joggers from Only, they fit well, and it's typical for Only. They do fit me lengthwise. They fit me around, so I do find I can wear Only trousers and jeans and so on. But this particular pair is a something or nothing to me, and it's more of a nothing than a something. The trousers say nothing, they don't say what they really are, you know. They're supposed to be a jogger, but they're not really a jogger. So I'll be keeping just the Esprit long sleeve t-shirt and the cardigan and sending everything else back. Well, that, I would say, is a disappointing Lucchiero, because normally the last few I've had from Lucchiero, I've kept everything. I've been really pleased, so I think this is a disappointing one. If you want to see a really good one, I'll link it at the end. And also my last Stitch Fix video, I'll link as well too.